everyone, today I'm gonna try this high-speed hair styler. It comes with different brushes, volume, round, auto rub hair brush, and with hair dryer. So let me open the box. How it's look like inside. Will be great idea as a present. Comes with small instruction. Alright. Looks so cute. I love the design. So this one is nozzle just to dry your hair. Alright, this one is round, big one. Middle. Okay. And this one is automatic curling. Plus it comes in two, so for left side and for right side. Right, let's try it. As well, it comes with soft case, two clips for hair, and gloves to protect your arms. So let's try the regular dryer. If you want to change the nozzle, just press this button. Alright, you can adjust the temperature level and speed level. That's perfect. First, second, third, and temperature. Wow, super powerful. I'm going to divide my hair into two sections, and this part I usually dry separately to get more volume on the roots. Use the clip. Done. And let's try the middle brush to dry my hair. So fast. I love the result. My hair is not overheating, shiny, and I love the volume. Powerful. So let me finish with the second part of my hair. Then I will try to use the bigger brush for my roots, and then we will make a curly hair as well. All right. Done. Super fast, and I love it. Wow, beautiful. So you can make a curly hair on a wet hair and on dry as well. Right now I'm making on dry, and I love the result. Perfect, super fast, easy. It's not damaging hair at all. And for my left side, I'm using a right nozzle. So and here's the result. Let's brush it. Super fast, powerful. It took me around a couple minutes. How it looks like from the back. So guys, I was sent this hair styler for review and I will definitely recommend it to buy it. I love the quality, super easy to use, powerful, I love the design, so it will be great idea as a present. You can always buy it on Amazon.